awubright uzothatha sibeke ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani. After we've cast our vote and after the IEC declared the results, what then? Bright Sintuli, welcome once again to the Uprising.
Thank you very much. So Felix, the mood has been interesting and unexpected because njengoba sazi ukuthi ama political parties are waiting to announce imshado yawo through coalitions. The mood between the actual politicians has been rather cordial, which was unexpected, and they're painting a picture of immaturity or democracy as well as our leaders. We did see a video between the ANC provincial leaders Bengokola with a provincial leader with IFP Uthami Ntuli at the results center at Tegwini. Now the word is none of them managed to win an outright majority in the province. We've also seen videos of ANC national chairperson Ukwete Mantashe at the results center in Midrand encokola with MK party leaders alongside journalists. So the relationship and the mood has been quite exciting. I-Bill Dwane, South Africa leader, Mose Maimane, simbonile ke lapha ku-X. He was not shy of taking a jabs on one of the highlights for him, Minnie, was that he took a jab at the internationally acclaimed DJ Ushimza. I'm sure you saw that. So, and the debate was around being a beneficiary of the ruling party.
Yeah, we saw that.
Yeah. So there's a lot of things, and on the social streets, kade sibona ke nama old banters akade vumbuka abanye bemjova kakhulu was ANC secretary uBheki Mtolo who took on TikTok and actually did a stitch video la ku Gagasi FM and made fun on that of that. So it's been good. Njengoba ama leaders ese formulate ama team azokwazi ukuthi ahole ama coalition negotiations, lawo maqembu azokwazi ukuthi ahlalisane phansi and see ukuthi kuma policies ethu imaphi alignayo nawabani, so ubani singakwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane eduze naye ukuze sikwazi ukuthi senze lo hulumeni ukuthi ube successful. So they just going to sit down and see ukuthi ngathi lokwamini ukuthi akuvulwa ama border wonke umuntu kube iAfrica ehlangene angathathamsana nakho lokho kwa party B kokuthi mhlawumbe sifuna bokufika bonke baxoshwe sihambe socisha imshini naseyibhedlela ayingathi siyakuvuma lokho bese beya decide ukuthi bona ke bazokwazi yini ukuthi basebenzisane nalezo zinto.
Okay, maybe before you go, I'm interested in knowing how was the international media coverage like, especially around elections? How was it being received? How are we being viewed as a country?
Yeah, so over the weekend we did see rolling coverage from across some of the biggest broadcasters in the world. Ngalulu Keto, when we see it capturing towards the end, sibonile ama broadcasters afana no Sky News or BBC or CNN be report ukuthi ama results akhona la South Africa azoba kanjani, and on the day of the announcement sibabonile futhi bephinda bechaza ukuthi it was breaking news for them ukuthi ANC is not winning outright majority, and and okugamayo kakhulu ukuthi they were expecting unrest, they were expecting war, because we've seen such things happening in other African countries, not taking into consideration ukuthi South Africans, unlike what other people believe, but they understand democracy.
Yes.
And we value izinto ezenzeka in our country.
Sure.
So, some of South Africans took back to them and just called them straight. We're not like that.
It's not going to happen.
It's not going to happen.
I love it for us.